Hi artists, it's that time of year where we all realize that we don't really know how to draw trees. So I just put together this little bite-sized creativity for you to show you how to simply draw 3 trees and use a little bit of watercolor to make a very interesting, unique name tag or little painting just to bring a little bit of joy and sunshine into this time of year. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a go. As always, tag me and let me know how you went with this activity and this idea. I'd love to see what you make.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
And don't worry if these splashes look a little bit dark, they're going to dry 10% lighter than what you see them. And the other thing you can do is you can actually go into your splashes and you can make them a little bit rounder if you want to. If they do appear a little bit dark for you, you can add a little bit of water in them. And the other thing, and this is a top tip, you can actually get some of your gold or your silver paint and you can drop it into the wet splash. So there's a little bit here that's wet and I'm just going to drop it in, let it dry, and then you'll come back and have a look at it when it's dry and it's going to look like you have dropped glitter all over your page. So it's a nice little tip for you. Let me know how you go with that one.
To see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
And here it is. I absolutely love it. I think it's so sparkly and lovely. You can change up the colors of your trees. You could even make rainbow sets of trees. I think the key thing I want you to really take away from today's bite-sized creativity is that trees are not scary. Trees are literally triangles on top of rectangles. And so give it a go. Give it a go with a basic outline that you feel comfortable with and drop some paint onto it and then show me how you went. I'll see you next time.